Welcome to a sunny day in Gurgaon. Today we are going to review my new Honda Civic. The first thing you notice about the car when you sit inside is that it's fucking futuristic. Like, just look at the dash over there. This car is what science fiction is fucking made of. Did I mention how awesome the Civic wipers are? No, I didn't. Observe. Now let's take this baby for a spin. Like that.
Like that.
So you must have heard about the Honda Civic Type R. It's the fastest front-wheel drive in the world. This is its daddy. I mean, it's not the fastest front-wheel drive car in the world, but the genes of the fastest front-wheel drive car comes from this baby. So, in like 4 lakhs, I got this car. Got a 140 brake horsepower car with a 5-speed gearbox, automatic transmission, flappy paddle gearbox, and the mileage. I mean, I think Honda has done a good job by maintaining like their service, because I've checked the records. It has been maintained by Honda all throughout, and that was one of the reasons why I got it, because it just adds to the reliability of the car, you know. Low rider, yes, okay. It's a low rider. I will still drive it very cautiously on bumpy roads. But, you know, if the roads are fine, you know, it's just really a lot of fun. Who says Honda can't do racing? I mean, they're like fucking in F1, like they are supplying engines to guys like Max Verstappen, and I think all of this has been summarized. Like, the Japanese racing heritage is in this car. Because, you know, it's a petrol, and it's, you know, I can't run it with a Delhi number plate if it's more than 15 years old. But I don't know, I'll probably get it registered somewhere else and try to keep it, but I might sell it also. But it's a really good experience. You know, this car is a really good experience to have.